How to transfer pictures from an LG phone to a PC. If you routinely take pictures with your LG smartphone, there will likely come a time when you want to place those pictures on your PC for storage. We'll show you how to do that using a USB cable. Start by connecting the phone to the computer with the USB cable. If a pop-up appears, tap Allow. On the computer, open the File Explorer. On the File Explorer, click on the device that is plugged in. That's your phone. Then click on either internal storage or SD card, depending on where the pictures are stored on the phone. If it's internal storage, navigate to the folder where the pictures are stored. This is usually DCIM. Then click to open the folder. Select all the pictures you wish to copy to the computer. Then right-click on one of those pictures and select Copy. Now navigate to the folder on the computer where you want to put the pictures. Then right-click and select Paste. Wait for the data transfer to complete. This can take from a few seconds to over half an hour, depending on the amount of data being transferred and the speed at which it can be transferred. If you need further assistance, please visit lg.com/us/support.